we are going to take a quick tour of my atrocious bedroom, and I decided to give it a makeover just in a day. So I started by replacing the bed linens, and I talked about the stuff that I bought for bedding last week, and you can watch that in part 1 of the one-day makeover. I used a lot of these vibrant yellows and oranges, and I continued the color with pops here and there around the room, which you'll see in a little bit. I replaced the curtains with these white curtains, have some gray detailing, kind of bohemian details, which look great with the vibe that I'm creating in the bedroom. I definitely had to replace what was going on my end table, so I replaced that ugly lamp for a DIY mudcloth lamp that I had created a while back. You can see how I created that as well on my blog, and I'll definitely be sure to put that in the details below. I sprayed a tray that I had with copper paint and created a little magazine caddy and put plants that I scored from Target and that little vase that I had with a couple of snippets of the pothos plant that I have downstairs. I really want something clean and crisp, but nothing too cluttered like it was before. So I just utilized the tray again, put my little perfumes and this DIY anthropology inspired planter, which I have not posted the video for that, but I'll be sure to do that towards the end of this week. Because I want that airiness and the room to look pretty big, with the exception of these like large furniture pieces, I really needed to make sure that I kept the walls as bare as I could, but still creating a very welcoming and serene vibe. Okay, so we are all done. I hope that you enjoyed my tour. I have so many great little projects that I did for this room, and you can find almost everything already on the blog, CasaWatkinsLiving.com, for the tutorials. As a reminder, this is how it looked before. I know, horrible. And this is how the room looks now. Thanks again for tuning in today, guys, for my bedroom reveal. I hope that you took some inspiration from some of the changes that I've made, and stay tuned for all those one-day bedroom makeovers. I hope that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to post a new video towards the end of the week.